Indian Premier League 2026. Hey cricket lovers, how is your IPL knowledge? Let's find out. Which team won the IPL 2026 title? Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Who was the runner-up in the IPL 2026 final? Gujarat Titans. Who won the Orange Cap in IPL 2026? Sooryavanshi. How many runs did Sooryavanshi score in the 2026 IPL? 776 runs. Who finished as the second highest run scorer of the tournament? Shubman Gill. Who won the Purple Cap for taking the most wickets in the season? Kagiso Rabada. Exactly how many wickets did the Purple Cap winner? 29 wickets. Which Indian bowler finished right behind Rabada with 28 wickets? Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. Who hit the absolute most sixes in the tournament? Sooryavanshi. Which batsman struck the most fours in the 2026 IPL season? Sai Sudharshan. Who recorded the highest individual score of 2026 IPL season? KL Rahul. What was Sooryavanchi's batting average in IPL 2026? 48.5. Which bowler registered the best individual bowling figures in IPL 2026? Mohsin Khan. What were the season's best bowling figures, taken by Mohsin Khan? 5 for 23. How many total centuries were scored during IPL 2026? 15 centuries. Who scored the very first century of the IPL 2026 season? Sanju Samson. Who hit the fastest century of IPL 2026? Sooryavanshi. How many 50-plus scores did Sooryavanshi record in IPL 2026? 6 half-centuries. How many matches did Orange Cap winner Sooryavanshi play? 16. Which bowler finished third in the tournament with 25 wickets? Jofra Archer.